Today we're going to be customizing a Microsoft Word section layout format in Scrivener 3 for Windows. This is using a novel template, but these types of changes can apply to any kind of format. So you may find that the standard layouts don't work for you, that you want something different. Perhaps you've been using a specific font for all your other books and you want this to be the same, without having to change it in Microsoft Word and make the whole process more time efficient. It is possible to customize individual section layouts in Compile. This will require you to create your own special format though, so you aren't overriding the basic settings in Scrivener. So in Compile, select Microsoft Word and click onto the format you want to adjust. Now, there are different ways of doing this. You can, in the Section Layouts panel, double-click on the actual layout you want to change, or you can right-click on the format. Either way, you are prompted to duplicate and edit format. Doing this opens up a new screen where you can define your new format. First of all, by giving it a name, under Format Name. Beneath that, you have the option to Save to Project Formats or My Formats. Project Formats is specific to this project. My Formats will make it accessible in other projects. Now, there's a lot in this screen, but what we're focusing on today is the right-hand side. You'll see there's a whole list of section layouts in this panel. Some will be highlighted in bold, which are the selected ones in the Section Layouts panel. You can click on any of the layouts to change them, so make sure you know which one or ones it is you want to change. When you're changing things in a Microsoft Word format, you can pretty much do anything you need to. So first, let's just look at the scene text, which is assigned to section text. We're automatically in the Formatting tab, but to make the options active, we need to click onto the dummy text in the box. Now we can change the font size, and if we extend this box, we also get the option to change line spacing. Any changes we make are represented in the box. If you're trying to match something you created previously in Microsoft Word, look at those settings first, including the line spacing, and then come back to Scrivener to make those changes. Once you're done, click Save. If you want to change a title style too, click on that and do the same thing, and click onto the text. You'll see here on this double title style that only one title style is highlighted at a time. Now you have the same formatting options as before, but you might also want to change bold, italics or alignment. There are many other tweaks that can be made here with the other tabs, but we'll deal with those separately. This is simply about changing the basic formatting. So click on Save and you're done. Next time we'll be doing the same kind of thing with an ebook format.